Nowadays we see a trend of people who want to live smaller or smarter, but not at the expense of losing any aesthetic. We wanted to give these people the opportunity to have a functional and nice table, a table that really stands there. We also brought simplicity to the function by choosing for a runner where the legs stand in one place and an extra tabletop opens up. This can be easily done with one person only. With its simple extension feature, you can easily increase the capacity from 4 to 6 people. Depending on the chairs or stools that you use, you can even sit with 8 people around the table. Now, on the other hand, we also wanted to stay true to the Ethnicraft values and wanted to create a warm and inviting table with a subtle nod to design. For that reason, the Bockline was the perfect partner. If you look at the table, for example, you immediately recognize the box-to-piece legs and the beautiful contours or edges of the tabletop. The cool part about the Bockline Extendable is that we are giving the possibility to people to extend their table, but also to extend their relationships with their family, their friends, their relatives.